In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN on YouTube TV, so you can enjoy live sports and highlights. Let's get started. To watch ESPN, start by subscribing to YouTube TV, which includes ESPN channels like ESPN, ESPN2, and ESPN News as part of its package. Once subscribed, download the YouTube TV app on your device, smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device, or visit the website and log in. Open the app or website and navigate to the Live section, or search for ESPN in the channel guide. You can stream live sports, games, and shows directly. For exclusive ESPN Plus content, link your ESPN Plus subscription through the YouTube TV account settings if available. If you're using a smart TV or streaming device, ensure the YouTube TV app is installed and activated. Alternatively, cast content from your phone to your TV using Chromecast or AirPlay. Ensure your internet connection is stable for uninterrupted streaming. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN on YouTube TV. Ask Explain.